Howzit T.O.B family, welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Our subject today is the Jabra Elite 3. We have reviewed the Jabra Elite 2 before. Check the playlist for that video. A member of this family recommended this video, so here we are. Take this time to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. I appreciate you. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video. So when you open the box of the Jabra Elite 3, this is what you get. USB charging cable, extra ear tips, and the charge case with the earbuds in them. Okay, let's look at the case right now. This is what we're very much interested in. The case looks very much like the Jabra Elite 2. It just so happens that I think we also selected the same color even. All right. The shape is the same rectangular capsule look. It's very small, very lightweight. Okay, the plastic used to make this is not high end, it's not exactly low end either. That's cool. All right. Okay, we've got the Jabra name right here, and we've got indicator light right there. I don't know if you can see that there, and the USB charging port. That's all there is on this case. Okay, let's pop this open. Here we go. Looking very much like the Jabra Elite 2. If you had the Jabra Elite 2 and the Elite 3 side by side, you probably will not be able to tell the difference. Okay, let's take this out. Here we go. There we go. Awesome. Okay, let's examine this for a bit. We've got the mic right there and another one here, the charge plates and the touch control. Oh, this is actually a push control. You gotta push it, not touch it. That's cool. Okay, and the Jabra name on it. All right, let's see how strong the magnet is. Something we've not done in a while. A shake test. Let's go. Okay, the magnet is in place. So if you have this in your pocket and you're doing something, some kind of rigorous activity, they will not be wobbling in your pocket and making the charge process difficult. You can feel it here. The magnet is very strong. Everything is right in place. And that is cool. When we move this, you can see the indicator lights on it. I'm guessing those are pairing lights on the Jabra Elite 3, and an indicator light right there. I like this. All right, let us pair these and see how easy it is to pair. Let's go. Now, for you to be able to pair the Jabra Elite 3 to your phone or your tablet or your device, whatever, you have to go to the App Store, either your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store, and download the app, and through the app you'll be able to make the pairing easy. I've taken the liberty of downloading the app on my phone, so I'm just going to pull it out right now. Okay, there we go. Just bring this closer so you can see the pairing process. And now it's searching for the Jabra device, so I'm just going to pop this out of the case, and immediately picks it up right there. Jabra Elite 3, and picks it up. So connect, and now it's pairing. And it's paired. Simple and easy. That's all you gotta do. The Jabra Elite 3 is now connected to your phone. Okay, and now we've got options here. Bring this closer a bit. Voice assistance. Choose your voice assistant. So Android. So you can either use the Android default Android on your phone, because this is an Android phone. You can either use the default Android voice assistants, or you can use your Amazon Alexa. Alexa is not installed on this, so that won't work on here. Spotify tap. Now you can use this to just go control your Spotify app on your phone. So if you use Spotify as an app on your phone, you've got controls directly from your earphones to the app. And there's a quick start guide. Oh, all right. Okay, update the firmware. Just a quick update, guys. Alright, app has been updated. Let us look through the app to see what it offers. Here we've got a music equalizer, so you can, you know, change it to what you want. You got bass, mid-range, treble. You got music presets, the neutral, speech, bass boost, treble boost, smooth, and energize. Okay, this is cool. We can see how much power is in the earbuds. Okay, there's so much to unpack on this. We're not gonna go through all that in this video because that will just make it very long, but on your own time, go through the app and the various music presets. You just might see something you like, and you can add yours too. Right here, you can add what you want. That is really cool. Okay, all right. This I like. Quick access to call settings, so you can activate that. This is really cool. Anyways, like I said, we're not going to go through every single thing on the app, but these are just some little things we're looking through. In your own time, you can take the time to go through the app. All right. Let us test the controls for this. Now, looking through, find out that most of the controls are on the right earbud. On the left earbud, we've got just one major control on the left earbud, and the others is just for the Spotify tab. Like I said earlier on, go through the manual, go through the app, and you can see how it's done, and you can know how to fix your earbuds. For now, we're just going to test some controls. Now, for you to pause and play on the right earbud, you press once, then it plays, and you press once again, and the pause. So pause and play on the right earbud one time. Now, for you to go to the next track on the same right earbud, you press twice. Twice will take you to the next track on the right earbud. Press twice, it will take you to the next song. Now to go to the previous song on the same right earbud, you press 3 times. 3 times will take you to the previous song. This is the part I appreciate in the earbuds. If you've seen my other videos, you realize why I appreciate this. I don't think earbuds should come without a volume control. You should always have a volume control with the earbuds. For you to increase the volume, you hold for 2 seconds and the volume increases. Hold for 2 seconds, the volume increases. And to decrease, now you go to the left earbud and you hold for 2 seconds. That will decrease the volume control. 2 seconds, decrease the volume control. Now these are the major controls on these earbuds. These are the major ones. So if there's anything else you want to know about the earbuds as relates to controls, you're going to go through the app or the manual. Just go through it and you see exactly how you want to do it. So far, impressive. Very, very cool. I like this. Okay, I'm going to use this for some time, and then I'll tell you what my experience is. It's usually a space of 2 weeks. I'll use it for another 14 days, and then I'll tell you exactly how I feel about these earbuds. So, after using this for 2 weeks, here are my observations, and I wrote a note. 1. Bluetooth range holds steady at 10 meters. So anything past 10 meters starts to get choppy, starts to drop off. So 10 meters and you're good. Our battery power, we've got the earbuds. You can use them for 7 hours on the earbuds and another extra 28 hours from the charging case. So that's great. That's really great. You can use the earbuds in the mono mode, which means just using just the one ear, or you can use them together. Doesn't make a difference. Some earbuds you cannot use the mono mode, but you can use the mono mode on this one, which explains why most of the controls are actually on the right earbud. Now that makes sense. All right. Now on the app, there's something called a hear through mode, which I'm thinking is supposed to be a mode where you can hear yourself and hear what's happening around you. Other earbuds, they call that a transparent mode, but in this one it's called a hear through mode. Now I can't really tell the difference in the hear through mode because the earbuds has got noise isolation on its own. So when you're using the hear through mode, also still sounds like noise isolation, which means it still keeps noise out, which is really cool. Now the fit on this is actually very, very good. It really fits in the ear very comfortably. It's not poking your ears when you put them inside. It's not uncomfortable. I have small size ears and I found that very comfortable. If your ears are a bit bigger, you can just change the ear tip to something bigger and fit in. It is very comfortable. Put it in and you don't have to push it, you don't have to try to balance it out. It just fits in perfect. So the fit on this is really good. I like it. Now when you're on your phone calls, the sound from the phone calls is really clear, really crisp. You can hear the other person and they can hear you clearly. There's no wind sound that comes through, nothing like. In fact, here's what it sounds like. Howzit T.O.B family, this is the sound test of the Jabra Elite 3. Now if you're on a phone call, this is what you sound like. It is clear, it is crisp. They'll hear you on the other end, and I can guarantee you will hear them too quite clearly. There's an open window over there and there's an AC here, but I can guarantee you can hear the sound, right? Yeah, that is the noise isolation. It is very good. That is why I'm giving it a 7 out of 10. It is really good. Let us go. Now, what does it sound like when you're listening to music or even watching a movie? Incredible. The sound on this is really clear. It does sound way better than the Jabra Elite 2, and the app also adds to the beauty of the sound that comes, especially with the music presets. I like the smooth one. You might like something else. The other bass heads, if you're a bass head, you're going to love the bass boost. It is really cool. Also, it gives you the opportunity with the app to be able to, adjust the equalizer or create your own presets if that's what you want to do. It is really good. You can take some time to unpack the app and see how it favors you, or what way you can use it to your favor. But it is really good. I love the sound on this one. Really good sound. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Really, it is that good. A 7 out of 10. Now, I know there are some other things I'm actually missing right now, but if you do remember, or there's something you would like to ask about it, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. Best leave it in the comment section. That way we can be able to share with the rest of the community, right? Yeah. So if there's something you'd like to know about earbuds, leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing. There's so many things I want to do on this channel and the other channels this year. I promise you want to be a part of it. So click on the subscription button so you can be part of the family. And while you're at it, please click on the like button. That is the most important metric that YouTube uses to, put out this video. So if you don't click on the like button, the videos don't go out. So please, if there's anything you can do to support this channel, the like button, click on it. Now, if there's something you want to ask about this video or any other videos on the playlist on this channel, please leave it in the comment section or send me an email. Until next time, take care.